Yeah, it's like we have no Sparky. So let's check.
It's Sparks.
It's Sparky?
It's Spark.
Sparklets.
It's
Oh, we're
Spark.
pissing out the bottom here, which is good. That means it has fuel in it.
Here's a couple.
Are these the? How many do you need? There's only one cylinder.
This was for something else.
40 years.
This is in the eBay store.
Oh.
I have Spark.
Oh.
Do you really?
Oh, you do?
Do you need his nipple?
Yep. We have
Not
Spark.
from my nipple.
Yeah, you didn't have your nipple on.
I know, it's all my fault.
That's why it doesn't run. No Chris nipple.
I know. If I was pierced, you could just tap it.
Whoa! Throttle a little bit. Give it a little pedal. Go. Go. Start, you bitch.
Do you have the choke on or off?
I got it back.
Meaning.
Toward the back of the car. Is that off or?
Yeah, you might want to put it on. Yep, it's got Spark. Sure. Wow! Can you believe that? Okay, I'm going to call the Spark plug. Okay, so we have fuel,
Let's see it.
because there's the float bowl.
It certainly is.
It's got fuel.
Oh, it's just all over the place.
It's gassy. Okay, so let's
Gassy.
put the
They
cover
probably had
on.
beans at 3:30.
That definitely had beans at 3:30. But look at our little hillbilly gas tank.
Oh, the hillbilly gas tank is bubbling. That's good.
Does the job. Okay, we have spark, we have fuel,
And sparkling.
it has air, and we cranked it with the plug out. So, Mr. Sen,
Frank.
crank, my friend. Give it a little throttle. Throttle the hair. That's full. Here, back up a hair.
Oh,
Keep going. Low, less, a little less, a little less, a little less. Whoop, right there. Go.
Sounds like it's
Come on, baby. All right, stop. I wonder if we got to get in here to the little pointy points.
Do you need my Euro tool to hold it where it doesn't turn on you?
Is that what you call it now? Your Euro tool?
Put the thing to hold the fan clutch so it doesn't unwind. I use my Euro tool.
It could just be not where it needs to be.
Oh, did you? It was big and strong. It was amazing. Oh, God.
Gotta get that fucker apart. We need to hold
You
this.
need something to jam it.
Yeah,
What do you need? Just like a screwdriver?
something beefy. Watch if you're rolling.
Oh.
Ah,
What?
Now you'll have to edit.
Yeah.
no, I'm gonna leave it in. Be like,
I got.
I do not. I can't do gasoline. I just can't do it. I'm like dying.
Oh Lord.
so this thing,
Is she all seized up?
the points are actually behind here inside. I've done this on that one a bunch of times. Isn't there?
Damn hot rod Lincoln and your kids.
Yep, it's got compression. It's full of gas too. Here, let's pinch off our suck because we might have oversucked.
Flutter.
Who wants to crank?
Hey, Frank.
You're on filming.
We're filming.
Go.
We're live at 2.
Nice. Forward. know the carb has fuel.
Yeah, fuel.
Grant, you want to give me a little bit of throttle? Just a hair. Right there. And crank it.
Faster.
Nope, not enough. We got to get in there, but
Oh!
woo, we're
Oh,
gassy.
girl.
Leaking.
That was
A little dribble.
that's a faux pas.
little dribble.
Oh, he's
Well,
got that.
Brake cleaner will do the same thing, and if it hasn't lit off that, then
Just notice the license.
yeah. So getting this out is going to be fun because it's
1964 Texas.
Rusted in place.
rusted and
That
plain.
belongs bad in the train.
There's another one up there.
Oh, there is. Oh, from this one?
Yes.
Those in the middle?
Let's do this for class. Cut. Cut. Cut.
Oh.
So I've done this before to check the points and all the timing and set the gap. It's all underneath that cover that I was trying to get those two screws out of. Once that's out, it's all right inside there underneath. And then the points are just pretty standard points like any other car in a distributor. It's the same deal. But I'm always... We need to put some PB blaster on there and try to see what we can do, see if we can get in and adjust it. Allie has PB blaster. So let's try that. And that's how you do it. Because I've done it on this one. Ooh. Give it a spritz.
Air spritz.
A spritzy. A spritzy. Little PB blaster.
That's a better way instead of that thing on the side.
So soak them babies down, but the threads go pretty far back, so you got to get it in there. Whoa.
Oh, she's blasted.
I haven't blasted like that in years. Allie's like, oh.
This is a family series.
No, it's not. It's on my YouTube channel. Horrible.
On your dude.
No, that's my OnlyFans.